Hello, dear traveler. Before we begin, this video is ad-free throughout, so you can enjoy a calm, uninterrupted experience, making this space feel peaceful and authentic for you. I put lots of love into this channel and every single video I make. If you'd like to support my work, you can tap the thanks button below to leave a small tip or donation. It's a simple way to show appreciation and helps me keep creating relaxing, almost ad-free content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this gentle and nurturing space. Today, we invite you to take a pause, to step away from the noise and busyness of life, and enter a quiet moment with yourself. This meditation is dedicated to softening the voice of your inner critic, that harsh judge inside who sometimes makes you doubt or feel less than you truly are. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a calm place where you can relax without interruption. Allow your body to settle and your mind to slow down. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your eyes close if that feels safe and soothing. Begin by simply noticing your breath. No need to change it. Just observe the natural rhythm as it flows in and out. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, and the warmth as it leaves. Let each breath soften your body more and more. Now, imagine yourself at the edge of a vast, enchanted forest. Just as the first light of dawn begins to touch the sky. The air is fresh, filled with the gentle scent of pine and earth. Soft mist curls low across the forest floor like a delicate veil. The world is quiet here, calm, still, and welcoming. With each breath, feel yourself stepping forward onto a soft path lined with moss and fallen leaves. Hear the gentle crunch beneath your feet and the distant call of morning birds. The path invites you deeper into the forest, a safe place where you can meet your inner self without fear or judgment. As you walk slowly, notice a warm, glowing orb of light forming gently in front of you. This light represents your true self, pure, kind, and infinitely wise. It hums softly with a soothing energy. Feel the comfort it brings. Allow yourself to connect with this light. Imagine it slowly growing larger and brighter, expanding gently to fill your entire chest, your whole body, like a warm embrace from the inside. Now imagine your inner critic, the voice that often judges, doubts, or criticizes you as a shadowy figure, standing quietly beside your light. Observe this figure without fear or resistance. See it as it is, just another part of you that wants to be seen. Watch as the glowing orb of light you carry begins to gently expand, slowly pushing back the shadow. With each breath you take, the light grows warmer, kinder, more radiant. Silently, begin to say to yourself, with each inhale, I am enough. With each exhale, imagine releasing the grip of self-doubt and harshness. Let's pause here for a moment. Feel your breath. Feel your light expanding and the shadow softening. Allow a long pause here, about 1 to 2 minutes of quiet reflection. Now, see your light gently reaching out to the shadowy figure, wrapping it in a shimmering cloak woven from compassion, understanding, and patience. Feel the softness of this cloak as it settles over the shadow. As the shadow is embraced, notice it begins to dissolve and transform into a gentle breeze that floats away, carrying with it all negativity and judgment. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your whole being filled with acceptance and peace. Slowly, bring your attention back to the forest path. Notice the sunlight filtering through the trees, casting dappled patterns on the ground. Feel the soft breeze on your skin. Hear the sounds of nature all around you. The rustle of leaves, the songs of birds, the gentle hum of life. Walk a little further now. Feeling more peaceful and free with every step. Your light continues to glow warmly within you, steady and calm. Pause here again. Imagine yourself sitting down on a large, soft, mossy rock. Feel its coolness and comfort beneath you. Rest in this place for a while, letting your body relax completely. Think now of a moment recently when your inner critic was loud. Visualize that moment gently, but from a place of kindness. Imagine speaking to yourself as a dear friend would. Softly, gently, with understanding. Say to yourself, I see you. I hear you. But you do not define me. I am worthy of love and kindness. I am learning, growing, and becoming. Let these words sink deeply into your heart. Feel their truth in every fiber of your being. When you feel ready, stand up from the mossy rock and continue walking the path back through the forest. Notice how your light glows steady and strong. No longer needing to fight or push away the shadows. With each step, feel your confidence and peace grow. Imagine the forest gently guiding you back toward the edge where you began. As you reach the forest's edge, take one final deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body in this room or space. Feel the surface supporting you, Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms or legs if that feels good. When you're ready, softly open your eyes, carrying this calm, kind light with you. Thank you for allowing yourself this time, dear traveler. Have a wonderful life. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.